Look at that. So they're putting these Charger locomotives now on the Vaudreuil line. I had no idea the train that picked me up had a Charger on it. Here at Vaudreuil station, at Valois station, and the station is not being used anymore, and there should be very soon a CPKC double stack heading west. Here it is, the CPKC freight train that I've been waiting for. It's the same one that I saw at Lachine about 15 minutes earlier. Here on a Wednesday afternoon at about 6:30 p.m. here at Valois. We got CPKC ET44, I think DC, and the same as the mid-train helper. And there's the hopper cars that I saw also. And that's the end of the train right there. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal.